Hi Marcos, the work is complete. So you can see here that I have updated the information. One thing I've actually given a kind of a space here. That's because we are reflecting the same information. So if you actually select that, nothing will be shown because there's no information there. So when you select the actual information, you kind of can see all the information. So right now I'm on a 14-inch monitor, so that's why it's showing up like this. But when you actually select the information, it will automatically get updated. So this chart is updated, and then all the other charts are like totals, so they reflect the same information as what we had like previously. And this particular information, you wanted me to add the total, so the total is added in like almost everything. So I've selected the total. You can see that it is available for you. So let me know if there is any other changes on these. If not, I'll share the invoice for your consideration.